All right, good day everyone. Um, Thank you all for joining this presentation on the topic the data privacy and protection, the role of NYM and what we tend to get. I want to appreciate everyone, every of our participants that have joined this and also those that will be joining later on. I'll be sharing my screen now so we can go straight to the business of the day. Hope we can all see my screen. All right, thank you so much. So we are looking at the data privacy and protection, the role of NYM. Data privacy and protection, the role of NYM. First, I would like to start with an introduction. We need to understand that as technology and the internet continue to advance in this world, the need for a decentralized and online privacy becomes increasingly crucial. The need for more of privacy, more of decentralized platforms is becoming increasingly crucial to everyone. Hence, unfortunately, the NYM project is working towards providing innovative solutions to these challenges. And this is what we are here to discuss, what NYM has brought to the table and also that we still bring to the table in future when it comes to the internet and the advancement of Web3 space in this world. Now, the NYM project, which operates the NYM Tech Network, is a platform for decentralized privacy infrastructure that provides novel solutions to anonymity and privacy issues by creating a network that runs on privacy enhancing network. This is what NYM project is all about. It operates from the NYM Tech ecosystem. Going further, the NYM project promises to provide solutions that address the shortcomings of existing privacy technology like VPNs and Tor. We all know, most of us know what VPN is all about, and also Tor. So the NYM project is not coming to clear away all these things or to abolish all these things, rather to work more on their shortcomings when it comes to VPN and Tor, to work more to advance where these technologies are lagging behind. So that is what NYM is here to do. And this is based on the fundamental idea that privacy and security should be accessible to everyone. The project's primary focus is to create a decentralized privacy infrastructure which is private, secure, and also censorship resistant. Now, the NYM network operates using the mixed-net. I'm still going to give us full information about what mixed-net is all about when it comes to NYM tech, when it comes to NYM ecosystem. But for now, I will say that mixed-net, which is an advanced type of privacy network that hides the true origin and destination of data packets. Now, the mixed-net is created by combining several layers of encryption, routing, and packet mixing techniques. Now, this results in a network that ensures the utmost privacy of its users and protects them from malicious acts. We are still discussing about the introduction to what NYM is all about. Now, the NYM network is designed to be scalable and can handle high volumes of requests. Now, it's also designed to be resistant to censorship, avoiding existing of traditional centralized internet and routing its traffic in a way that prevents its discovery. I hope we are getting this presentation. Now, what is the mission? What is the mission of NYM? What is NYM working towards? What has been the journey and why are we having NYM? What do we tend to achieve Now, the mission of NYM first is to enable digital privacy for all humanity. We could see that many people, probably in several regions, are suffering, are victim of invasion of privacy when it comes to Web3 space. So NYM has come to make it available for everyone. And also, privacy is the key to ensuring dignity, security, and the freedom of societies to develop a direction of their own choice. Now, the NYM technologies ensures privacy in the age of datafication and also artificial intelligence, which also known as AI, by making advanced privacy preservation software available to developers and also end users. We're still discussing on the mission of NYM. Another mission of NYM as I've said, is also part of it is also the principles of NYM. Now, one of the principles of NYM is to create outstanding privacy software that is legal compliant without sacrificing integrity or having any backdoors. Now, we understand that sometimes there is always legal actions against privacy and VPNs and intruding different territories through Web3 space. So NYM, despite its intention to enhance data privacy and protection, as is focused on creating outstanding privacy software. This software will be legal without sacrificing any integrity or having any form of backdrop. Now, away from that, we are still discussing on NYM. For those that just join us, thank you so much for joining us on this subject. I really appreciate every participant here today. Now, discussing on NYM, and now we are moving to the core aims of NYM. The core aims. I've been able to highlight some core aims of what NYM is all about. First is that and one of the aim is to achieve decentralization. NYM is a decentralized platform in which it will enable privacy for everyone. Now, the NYM Mixnet is operated by a decentralized community of node operators, which you also can be part of the node operators. If we have enough time, I will discuss on what node means. And also for stakers, you can also stake. I will talk on staking also when you get to the token. Now, the NYM relies on a growing ecosystem of users, developers, and researcher partners aligned with the mission to make sure NYM software is running, remains usable, and solve the real problem. So it is not a centralized platform. It is a decentralized platform in which you have the opportunity to be part of the member of this community, maybe probably as a node operators or as a stakers, to run and achieve the mission of what NYM is all about. Also, part of the core aim is that it is tokenized. In this Web3 space, especially when it comes to crypto space, one of the key features is token. Now, the reason for this is to prevent operators from selling the customers, and also, where relevant, NYM software incorporates a token to ensure the economic sustainability of operators, so that there is no incentive to sell the customer. That's the aim. That's the reason why NYM is tokenized. This project is very futuristic and has a lot of potentials. Now, another core aim of NYM is that it is open source. Open source in the sense that it validates the quality and security of the software, and all NYM software is open source so that it can be audited by anyone. You see now, this project is very, very open to everyone. We are not just, NYM is not just creating a private and protection data for their own sake. It is for the community, people in the Web3 space, people using internet all over the world, and everyone can come and research to confirm how serious and how true this project is by making it an open source project. Now, this is essential for enabling peer contribution and validation, ensuring that it is secure and of the highest quality. I can tell you for free that one of the main aim, one of the things that NYM has stayed with is quality, achieving quality service, quality solution, among many others. Now we're still talking about the core aim of this project, NYM. One of them is permissionless. This is to ensure the availability of privacy. Also, you don't need anyone's permission to run NYM software. You don't need, including the creators, to run because of what this project is all about. Anyone can make use of the libraries or spin up a NYM node and contribute to providing privacy by running the NYM mixnet. So you can become part of this community by joining NYM node, by becoming a staker in this project. Also, NYM, one of the aim is that it is trustless to ensure privacy by default. The mixnet is trustless, meaning that no part of the system nor its operators have access to information that might compromise the privacy of the users. Hope you get that. NYM software enacts a strict principles of data minimization and has no backdoors. So you can trust this project. Nobody has access to your information or will try to compromise or intrude your privacy when you are using the NYM network. Now, away from the core aim, another thing we need to see, or I need to present on, is the features of NYM. The features of NYM, one of the main features is that it is a zero knowledge system that allows its user to maintain anonymity while using the network. So you can remain unknown while using the NYM network. Also, the network also includes a decentralized mixed node network. Like I said, I will discuss on what this mixed node is all about before the end of this session, which ensures a high degree of privacy than a centralized service. Finally, also on this, I want to let us know that the NYM network allows for data ownership and governance and can be run on mobile and IoT devices, which makes it more available and accessible for everyone. Another core features of NYM is that NYM is its unique mixed node system, and these mixed nodes are the critical components of the network, and they process data packets that move through the network, mixing them with other packets to obscure their origin and destination. I will show a graphical example about this when we move properly to the mixnet after this subtopic, the features of NYM. Another features you need to know is that this one is very exciting. The exciting features of this project is that it is cryptocurrency inculcated. You know this word now, the way this word is going, currency cannot be overlooked, and you cannot just push it to one side. So hence the reason why this project is imbibed also with cryptocurrency. Now we have the NYM coin, which is used as incentive for the operations of mixed nodes, and it is used as medium of exchange on the NYM network. The use of cryptocurrency helps to ensure that the network remains decentralized. This is the reason why we had to bring cryptocurrency in and reduces the risk of centralization. I will also present on the token and where the major platform where this token, the NYM token, is trading. However, unlike other privacy enhancing network like Tor, the NYM network's mixed node are decentralized. Anyone can operate a mixed node and they are randomly selected by the network to process data packets. This process makes it impossible for any single entity to control the mixed node and intercept traffic. This is a very good features of NYM, which makes it more superior or better or more advanced compared to the likes of Tor and VPNs because of these super futuristic features. Also, another features of NYM is that the use cases for the NYM network are vast and continue to grow. Any application that requires high degree of privacy, security can leverage the NYM network. For instance, the network can be used to protect whistleblowers. In the case of the country in Africa where we talk about the whistleblowers, it can also be used to protect journalists. Also, it can be used to protect human rights activists. And this is to be a good recommendation for this set of people who are looking for a better way to put their information out there and also keeping their identity. NYM is here for you, and you can, bank on this project to deliver this for you. Also, it can be used in various other industries like the fintech and also the healthcare. Other features is that the NYM network has already gained tractions in the industry. NYM has become the talk of the town, and numerous projects have integrated or plan to integrate with NYM network. Some notable projects are Bitmarks Research, Iris Network, and Tornado Cash. These guys have come to integrate themselves, looking at the robust features of NYM to be a partner and be part of this project. Now, this integration highlights the network's capabilities and will undoubtedly increase its adoption. So many projects will still join this project NYM because of its great potential and also capacity. Like I promised earlier, I said we will be discussing also on the mixed net. Discussing on the mixed net. Now, what is the mixed net about? What is this mixed net about? First, I would like to show us a video about this mixed net, which has been part of what I've been discussing earlier, and then I go into explanation of this mixed net. Now, looking at this video, I hope you can see it very well. Before I play the video, we could see the diagram here talking about the users, using different technologies of data privacy and the internet traffic and also the encrypted packet, then the service, the endpoint of what you are using. We could see that from VPN it goes straight without any obstruction, without just straight with one traffic to the encrypted, then to provide service, which can also be easily traced because there is just one encrypted traffic. But when it comes to Tor and the VPNs, we could see that though there is many encrypted packets, but it can be easily be traced. Now, comparing these two to NYM, we could see that when you're using NYM, the packets are decentralized before the end result to the users. Now I'll play this and you see how it runs. You see how it runs. You could see how information is flowing from VPN directly to the encrypted packet and directly to the service. And we could see how it is flowing from Tor or the VPNs direct into the, though we have many encrypted packets there, but it can be easily traced direct, you see, and go into service. But when it comes to NYM, we could see how it flows, from one packet to another, decentralized packet, which cannot be easily traced. And this is the high quality and what differentiates NYM from other data privacy platforms or technologies. It advances this technology. Hence the reason why we should consider NYM in our society of today as technology and internet advances. Now let's look at what NYM Mixnet is all about. Existing internet protocols leak sensitive data that can be used without user knowledge. The NYM Mixnet shields API addresses, and also traffic patterns, and can be integrated into any blockchain system or wallet or your app, and also powers NYM Connect. This is what the Mixnet is all about. I can come again, like I said, that the existing internet protocols leak sensitive matters, data that can be used without user knowledge. But the NYM Mixnet has been created to shield IP addresses and also traffic patterns that can be integrated to any blockchain, wallet, app, and also powers NYM network. We are still on the NYM Mixnet, which protects network traffic in transit. Also, the packets are encrypted in several layers and relayed through a multi-layered network called a mixnet. Now, in each layer of the mixnet, mixnodes mix your internet traffic with that of other users. You could see that was a diagram I showed you earlier, how it mixes with other users, making the communication private and protection not just content but your metadata, which is your IP address, who you talk to, where you are, where, when, and from what devices, and more. This is the work of the Mixnet. Also, talking about the Mixnet, you understand that NYM is incentivized and decentralized. Like I said earlier, users pay a fee in NYM to send their data through the Mixnet by pledging an initial bond of NYM. Anyone can run the Mixnode. Like I said, the Mixnode is available for everyone. It's a community of decentralized projects. You can join to be a node operators who are also rewarded in the NYM tokens. You can see how these features comes into each other's. You can see how these features come into each other. And based on a reputation measured in stake and NYM tokens and their qualities of services, uptime and packets dropped, providing privacy for the end users. So if you want to become a part of the node operators, you could be rewarded, but the reward will be determined by your reputation measured through what you stake into the NYM tokens and also the quality of services you've rendered when it comes to uptime and packets dropped, which provide privacy for the end users. Still talking on the NYM Mixnet. Now, what I just said is called proof of mixing, similar to how Bitcoin reward miners for mining new blocks. The reward mechanism enables the Mixnet to scale and remain decentralized and economically sustainable. Finally, on this subtopic Mixnet, NYM can work with any chain or application, from Bitcoin to Zcash. No current layer 1 blockchain provides or layer 0 privacy for the peer-to-peer broadcast used in crypto transactions. NYM can provide network level privacy for any blockchain and other generic applications. From Bitcoin to instant messaging, developers can build the application on top of NYM, offering powerful network layer and metadata protection for the people and organization using their services. As I begin to wind down on this subject, we need to discuss on the token. And I told us earlier that NYM is tokenized, and that is where cryptocurrency comes in, and this is one of the most important things for some people. And now NYM token is a certified privacy instead of surveillance. The largest digital companies have made surveillance their business model. It is time to change that. Stake, delegate, and use the NYM token to contribute to privacy, security, and integrity online. So this is what your token will be doing when you buy or when you hold NYM token. Also on the token ensure privacy. You can use NYM tokens to access Mistnet for privacy. Like I told you earlier what Mistnet is all about. Also, you can also delegate your NYM stake token. You can stake it. You delegate NYM to Mistnet that provides good quality of services and also earn a share of the reward. So when you stake your token, you can also share or take part of the reward. Also, this token also runs the NYM node. The bond NYM token has an initial reputation score in order for your mix node to be part of running the Mistnet and earn rewards. Also, before I round up, because of time, I will take one question. So anybody that signified first will be the one I will call for the question. Finally, on the NYM token, we also use it as fees. The NYM token are used to pay for transaction fee on the blockchain to keep the network wide map of mixed nodes and their reputation in NYM up to date. Now let's see the token allocation. We could see that 25% of this token is for the mix mining, 20% to the team, 7.5% to coin list sales, 12% to reserves and also for the community, then 95% for the backers. So as I begin to round up, these are the details of the NYM token. We have the details of the NYM token. The key information, the token name is NYM, the symbol also is NYM, and total supply we have is 1 billion NYM, and circulating, you can see the API. Also, you need to understand that the circulating supply changes as a result of the vesting reward staking activity. Initial circulating supply is 63.5 million NYM. Another laying blockchain is NYX, which is on Cosmos SDK. So if you want more info about the token, just visit CoinMarketCap, that's the CMC, where you can search for NYM and you can see the details. As we begin to wind down, here is my conclusion about this project. The NYM project is an innovation in privacy technology that seeks to provide a decentralized privacy infrastructure. It Mistnet system, decentralization, and the use of cryptocurrency make it stand out from other privacy technology. And the project use cases are vast and promise to revolutionize the way privacy and security handled industries that require high degree of privacy. Now, the NYM Tech is a groundbreaking platform that provides its users with maximum online private security, NYM anonymous peer-to-peer network, Mistnet protocol, Tor network, private staking network, secure wallet, NYM blockchain platform, and easy-to-use development tools and APIs are essential features that makes the NYM one of the most secure and private places to transact, communicate, and interact. Finally, before I bid a goodbye, do we have anybody with any question? Just one person, as my time is almost up. Anybody with question? Okay. Caris, you are raising your hand for question. Alright, go ahead. Let me hear your question.
Oh wow, thank you very much. I was hoping I would be picked to ask my question. Firstly, I would say thank you for enlightening us on this project.
You're welcome.
And I was going to ask about being a node operator. You talked about something about being a node operator, being a part of the project, and I got more excited when you talked about the reward part as a node operator. So my question is, how can one be a part of this project?
All right, thank you so much, Caris, for that question. There are so many ways you can be part of this project. The first thing I would love us to do is that before I leave, I will drop the social media handles and their website to connect. But basically, you can be part of this project first by being one of the holders of their token, which is the NYM token. And when you are an holder of NYM token, this gives you the possibility of becoming a node operator, the node operators. And also, you can also stake. You see, when you stake, you earn rewards when transactions are being made. And also, when you be a node operator, that means you are part of the community that work on the data privacy and protection of this project. These are the ways you can be part of the project. And also, currently there is an ambassador program going on, but the next sprint, you can just watch out, keep that on the next sprint of the ambassador program to join, to share, and to talk about NYM. Also, one of the core features of NYM is that NYM is keen on taking this project to diverse regions of the world. You can be an NYM ambassador, NYM representation wherever you are, or in the region where you live, where you share and discuss with people about this project. Finally, also, I will say you can also download the NYM app on the NYM website and also the wallet. With all these ways, several ways, you can become part and parcel of this project. And also to keep updated and to follow other things that you might also like when it comes to NYM, you can follow this link for further information, inquiries. Their website is www.nymtech.net, nymtech.net. There you can find several features, everything related to NYM. Also on Telegram, you can join the Telegram community. That's t.me/NYM Chan. Also on the Discord, I hope you can see the screen. You can also join NYM on Discord community, where we have diverse information about NYM. And that will be a wrap for today. That will be all about this presentation. I want to appreciate everyone for joining. Time will not permit me to start taking your names, but thank you so much for joining this presentation. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest. I still remain your host, CryptoDove. Bye for now.